Now, this is how you can change your timer sound on the iPad. Let's get started. So at first, you need to open up the clock application on your iPad like this. And once you get inside, you can see you have like the world clock and like alarms and everything, but you need to head over into the timers, of course. And the timer is literally just one screen which can be set up and like changed in terms of the amount of time which is supposed to go by for the timer to be up. But below it, you also have the label, which is, like a title of that timer, whatever. But you also have the what happens when the timer ends, right? So you can tap on that, and here it gives you the ability to set a different tone or a different sound for your timer on the iPad, right? So you can pick from the built-in options right there, or you can also just click on Classic, which will expand and give you even more options to pick from. And another possibility is to literally just open up the Tune Store, which will gonna like move you over into the iTunes store where we used to buy music and ringtones, and we can still do that. So you can go ahead and just purchase a ringtone if you wish. So that's it. That's how it works. That's how you can set a different and change your timer sound on the iPad. Let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful or what you think about it. If you have some thoughts or tips you might want to share, go ahead and do that. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important in the future, and I'll see you in the next video.